Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're opening messages and jumping straight into Digital Touch. Good. Tap the Digital Touch icon to reveal the black canvas. With 2 fingers, press and hold the canvas. That initial contact is the key input. Once done, slide or tap as needed to shape pressure and motion. Make sure your fingers start together and maintain light, steady contact. This creates the foundational pulse. If you want color, tap the color dot before drawing so the heart uses your chosen hue. Now you'll create the classic heart pulse using pressure and lift technique. Place 2 fingers on the canvas, press firmly and release rhythmically to simulate a heartbeat. Once you find a comfortable tempo, vary pressure to accentuate strong beats versus soft beats. Heavier press equals bigger pulse. If you want a continuous beat, repeat quickly with even spacing. Also, change color mid-draw if you want a multicolor effect. Transitions happen instantly when you tap the color. To finish, tap the send arrow and watch your heart flow into the conversation. If the canvas didn't capture your press, make sure the screen is clean and dry, then retry with steady, deliberate pressure. Quick feather taps often fail. Once sent, confirm the recipient received it. If Digital Touch still won't register inputs, force close messages and reopen, or restart your device. These steps clear temporary glitches. Finally, keep firmware updated. Software fixes often resolve intermittent touch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.